Hi guys, today I'm happy to share this video. This video is the second part of data visualization. If you not watch my first video on data visualization, you can watch my first video on my LinkedIn profile. In this video, I show the sunburst chart and 3D chart and video chart, etc. Without wasting time, let's start the video. So this is the video of the today. If you liked my video, so please like my video. And in comment section, tell me how is my video. This is repository where the notebook of these plots is here. This is folder. The name is 6 data visualization. There is the all plots of notebook and how you can get this repository. This is very easy. You need to go Google. Okay, I mean Muhammad Ahmed Google. I remove Google and write my name by this extension. Okay, you see in screen. To get repository, you need to write GitHub in Google. Then GitHub website, come and open it and go to GitHub search bar and search Muhammad Ahmed Bhutta. Then my profile of GitHub is come. Okay, then go to repository, then go to 6 number folder data visualization. Okay, bye bye. We meet again.